Akwa basronko enkoma wa wohwe mesabre yi otuma gin HFD kese yi eso na misha moseda ne damunya ebre eje edwa etie yensema yedi ebebego eye apono eso na enede yi nua bema oye US based Ghanaian journalist Kelvin Taylor wode ensimbi ababonten na abusuafo ne nsem wode ababetu eye edwa no dodo na susu se eye entrene a wode ebo eye isi enunti no empenifo ehwe na womo emma ne nsem a woka no aya na ohunu how a obeputi no because enu bi wo ma ensem na ebi no obi akwa no wo man Ghana mu ama ne ho akwa che no na enam se wo no woni Ghana hanu nti no otimi efa phone eftam camera edisi nanim eka eye bibesa so hu ne se obia entimi enche no anase obia entimi enye ne hwe na ebusuafo yenti a ema ye nua ba mayi eba ye de ne nsem ebebetu edwa enyina eye se yeah platform yeah NDC for the press and as a petition bi ababa betu eye edwa na womo ensem omudi betu edwa nu emu no e na chese wogina so ede ekasaye according to Taylor no NDC for petition a omode aba sem yeah isi ye mamije Mensa wa bribe NDC for ni bi ana omoye polling agent no wa bribe womo sene ebe ya womo ebetimi assign pink sheet no ebi edi amano no womo timi edi akwakopiemu ewo Supreme Court as an evidence ewo no na eno na chese womo edi womo petition no ekokoto wono ye papa Kelvin Taylor ehu ye no osusu se debi se sadia na ni kwan se NDC for no womo di petition keke ena kokoto ye edwe womo nsa ehye womo edemifo na ebusuafo petition no ena that screen no eso no hu se NDC for flag ebo eso no sam ena ebusuafo ensem no etie no na chese wo react to it no wode etu edwa ese NDC for enikwa so womo ye kom womo make sure se nokore ampa se ye mamiji Mensa ena saade na na se wo penkrofo NDC wo tuesika ama NDC for enkrofo polling agent be ensign pin sheet said obey you so as an evidence there mama no capable of doing anything na say or no na mono no so amankofo 8 ewu ewa abatu mu a mama no dangerous pa na obewu te se preko that statement na wo make ye no eno na magana for ene dodo na ede wo mani asinusu na ebusiafo man ko tie ne nsem no de tu dwa no emane ba ye beto.
The NDC has released a statement that the EC now is calling some of its agents to come sign some pig sheets. I just saw it. I don't know how true it is, but if it is, you guys should get on the ground and maybe they are going to use money to entice them. It is obvious. They are going to give them huge monies. The EC knows what is going to happen in court. Now they want some bad evidence to go present in court. So if the NDC is saying this, just don't release a statement and sit at home. Follow up and make sure that this woman, as the EC boss, she's diabolical, she's dangerous, she's devilish. Everybody knows. Because of her, 8 people have died. God will not forgive her. She will die like a pig. Because of her negligence, incompetence, and because she's deliberately messing the system up, 8 people were shot dead because of her negligence. So I will never sit on my platform and say, God bless her, she's an idiot. So this woman can do anything. If she's been able to make sure 8 people were shot dead, made sure that South people did not vote, their franchise was taken from them, she made sure that everything that you were expecting to be done right was not done right, then she can kill. So if you people know that they are trying to get your agents to sign, you have to move in. Don't just release a statement and sit in your office and say it is fine. No. These people have money to spend. You know, Jen Mensa, she needs to, in fact, tell us the $5 million issues and all that. She knows she's protecting her skinny ass. But the issue here is we need to make sure the right thing is done. So the NDC should be very vigilant if you really want to make your case very relevant and make sure you win. Because at this point, from what we are all seeing, it's going to be tough. Because you have a judge or you have a court that is actually the respondents. The judges in the Supreme Court now are respondents. They are not sitting there as judges. We all know they have already predetermined the case. They want to quash the case, make sure that their master Ikufuado is healed. But at the end of the day, we the people are the ones who have to make that decision. We need to watch and make sure justice is served. You cannot push things through in making us think say you are doing things quickly to cover lies up. No, we have to make sure the process is followed nicely, the right thing is done. That is why I like somebody like Chachu. He might lose the case or win the case, but he wants the process to be followed. He wants procedures. And I'm shocked that the Chief Justice himself does not want to follow procedure. It is shocking. The Supreme Court wants to skip procedures. Why do you think the Supreme Court wants to skip procedure? Because they know if Jane Mensa comes to sit there for the pre-trial, Jane Mensa will shit in her pants. Yes, the Supreme Court judges, especially the Chief Justice, they are protecting Jane Mensa because they know that if they give that space for Jane Mensa to sit in the box, John Mahama and his team are asking a simple question. The Jane Mensa should just speak on the numbers. That's it. She should just admit that she made a mistake. That's a simple question. Then we go on to the trial. Why is Jane Mensa scared to sit in the box and say, I admit or I don't admit? Why is this so difficult? The Supreme Court today is shielding Jane Mensa because they know that if they open Jane Mensa up, they allow Chachu, she'll open the woman up and she'll shit in her pants. And the Supreme Court today is the respondent, shielding Jane Mensa.
Na ebusia for say na wode nsem no etu eye eja age so susu say ye maame no wo boni a wodie no enya de say wo betimi akase bia nyame emfa ne mfomso enche na na se bibi ne mu wu na obewu ne wu na obewu ti say eye preko epe na no na je say dodo na susu say nkasa ye bi wo hon ma e wo mu say freedom of speech obi etimi ka de obi etimi che na je obi etimi di opinion e ba na suso so wo do opinion e ba na ebe ye a death threat dear enie e wo say anamonto bi enkoso nti dodo na hu ne sem yes say no say enkrofobia na say timamufobia e make some statement bi ni yetimi ye esuma nkrofo ana sa posifo nhwehwemu yefo adwumafo say wo mo enko na wo mo enko tutu nipa na no enhu die nti ana abota ye nti a wo ka sa ensem no edia na ne hu be yin asese nipa no wa haw so woni haw so o man ga na mu so no o man ga na mu so wo hiyo no die nipa ne ka bibi nkwa na say eye a life threatening message nkwa dia say yetimi efa ebi tutu wo man no dia ne hu be yin asese ankofo no susu no wo betu eye ehu anamuti wo mo epe achese ne krakra ne say ye Kelvin Taylor wo no susu no wo say yentuto eye na no say ya adwenche na wo che kwampo na woni wo da city na no ni akonya ne say wo de sa ensem we etu eye edwa na ebusiafo wo hwe de dodo na eka na wonu amo ya adwen we hu ne say eye death threat wo de ema ye ma mi isi Jane Mensa ana say eye na adwen a wo che enu nti no ni kwa say ye de eye asem because ye papa ameswali time a ye born ntirene keke no ye hu de ba ye ena chese owuo ebefa no ekoye nti yafa nkofo no asem no enya asem watera yentu ho anamo ana yentu eye eho anamo wadi ntwe no fabra otuma gh comment section like videos na share all the social media platform so following our IG page and Twitter page so na ebiomo so no ma wadi ntwe no emra na dan no everypom no ye be kan ede amamo ekes kapa enemy that's ne ye be sane share.